Learn Khasi language. Advanced English to Khasi translation. English. In this video, we will teach you translation from English to Khasi in Advanced English. Khasi. Mentangin hikay yapi shipangka translation na kapareng shaka Khasi harukom kabakiong ka Advanced English. English. Can I drop in tomorrow? Normal English. Can I come tomorrow? Khasi. Long bangan wan lashay? English. How's it going? Normal English. How are you? Khasi. Kumno pilong. English. Let's catch up today. Normal English. Let's meet today. Khasi. Tungin ya kendo mentakas ni. English. Are you out of mind? Normal English. Are you mad? Khasi. Pilabit ne? English. Break a leg, bro. Normal English. Good luck, bro. Khasi. Don boklok. English. It's time to hit the book. Normal English. It's time to study. Khasi. La day kapor pan krekot na. English. I am so into you. Normal English. I like you a lot. Khasi. Nga itanad bhai pi. English. Stop faffing around. Normal English. Stop wasting time. Khasi. Sange ban pensarwa ya kapor. English. You are so jammy. Normal English. You are so lucky. Khasi. Pilong ibadon bok bha. English. I'm worn out. Normal English. I'm very tired. Khasi. Ngala thad. Kumbanyap. English. I'm exhausted. Normal English. I'm very tired. Khasi. Ngala thad palat.